It's a new 2019 Toyota Avalon. Elegance on the outside, intelligence on the inside. This sedan will captivate both passers-by and passengers. It's well equipped with the features you need: Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, smartphone wireless charging, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection muses this is a cabin that feels extremely roomy and is far more modern and luxurious than the previous Avalon, with top-notch materials, thoughtful details, and comfortable seats. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. Take it for a test drive today.
Put your mind at ease when you purchase a new, used, or certified pre-owned vehicle from Eastern Shore Toyota. Call, click, or stop in today. We're located at 29732 Frederick Boulevard in Daphne.